Once your dog is lying down on the mat, you can begin.
Yes.
If your dog has never seen nail clippers or isn't comfortable when you get them out, begin by showing them the nail clippers, and when they
Yes.
remain lying down, mark it with yes, put the nail clippers down, and give them a treat.
Yes.
After you have said yes and given the treat no more than 3 or 4 times, toss a treat gently away from the mat so that your dog has to get up to retrieve it. This gives them the opportunity to either come back and lie down on the mat again, or will give you information that they need a break if they do not.
Yes.
Begin to gently touch their foot with the nail clippers.
Yes.
Once you can consistently put the nail clippers on top of their paw
Yes.
without them pulling away or getting up, you can begin to touch the end of their toenails with the nail clippers.
Yes. Touch. Yes.
Occasionally ask them to offer a known behavior that they love to do. This keeps the session fun and gives them a break. As a separate exercise from using the nail clippers on their toes, you'll want them to be comfortable having their foot touched and held. If your dog is more hesitant or slow to lie down when they come back to the mat, it could be that they are uncomfortable with the last step in the process. If this occurs, go back to the last step where you were having success and work at that level for a while before trying again. I noticed that Gemma was slower to come back and lie down on the mat after I had picked up her paw, so I went back to just touching her paw, which I knew was more comfortable for her.
Yes. Yes.
Picking up their paw
Yes.
and then touching the ends of their toes is another important step in the process.
Yes.
Gemma pulls her paw away from me, which is her way of saying she is not comfortable with the interaction or potentially needs a break. So I go back to a very easy step in the process where we had previous success.
Yes. Yes.
Creating a contract with your dog that says they have a voice to end the interaction if they are not comfortable by getting up and moving away or not lying down is a great way to build communication with your dog and have them comfortable interacting with you because they know that they have a say in the process.
Yes. 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 Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Yes.